is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Baby, don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't...
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Technology Nerd. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that like button. So today I'm going to be setting up a network in my room, just personalized for me. So I've already ordered all of my gear off Amazon. So I have a Netgear 8-port switch right here, and I got a Tenda wireless N300 easy setup router. And then over here I got a extend the range of your Wi-Fi network TP-Link Wi-Fi range extender. And then I got two I think these are like 10-foot Ethernet cables right here, so I could run it to my computer and everything else. And then right here I got another one to run to my Xbox. And then let me show you over here. Right here I have a NAS that I bought from Micro Center yesterday, and it has a 1 terabyte hard drive in it. This is a 2-bay NAS. Sorry I didn't unbox it. I just didn't have the time. But we're gonna get this set up on the network too. Okay, so first let's unbox this. Let's unbox the router. So this is the Tenda Wi-Fi N300 Easy Setup Router. Link will be in the description for all the products. All these are off Amazon. Let me get some scissors. Let's see. Plastic wrap covering on it. So this is what the box looks like again, and there's a piece of tape on the side. Just gonna cut that, and then you're gonna open it just like that. And then there's some cardboard on the inside. So here's what that looks like. So it looks like you got a this is a public license, and then we also got a install guide right here, and then this is the actual router. So it has 3 Ethernet ports on the back, okay, and it even comes with the Ethernet, but I've already stocked up on Ethernet, so I'm gonna put this with my collection just in case anything breaks. And then we have a power brick right here. Okay, so let me put that over there. Next we're gonna unbox the Wi-Fi range extender. That's what that looks like. And then there's no tape, so you could just, I think you could open it just on the top. Okay, so then you're gonna pull that piece of cardboard out. And then there we go. So it has your instruction right here, and then a general public license again. So this is it. Very small and compact. Here's what it looks like. Just has 2 antennas on the side. Let me focus. 2 antennas, Ethernet port on the bottom, and yeah. So let me put that over there. Next, we don't have to unbox these Ethernet cables. We already know what these are used for and everything. So let's unbox this switch. So if you don't know what a switch is, this is technically, all you have to do is plug it into, say your router only has 3 ports like mine, and you have to connect more devices, then you would come in for a switch. It just supplies more, for this case it supplies 8 more Ethernet ports. Okay, how do you open this? Okay, so it opens, there's a tab right on the bottom. Just pull that and then open it like that. So there's an installation guide. There's 2 of them. One Spanish, one English. So here's what it looks like. Very compact, but it's not that heavy, but it's, you know, it has a, so this is the cord that you use to plug it in, and then that's it. So here's what this looks like. Here's what it looks like. On the back it has a lock, and then it has an on and off switch. I'll try to get that closer. On and off. And then it has your 12 volt DC port. And then right here it has all your Ethernet connections. So I'm going to show you how to connect up all this stuff. Okay, so let's move over there. Okay guys, so first we are going to set up our TP-Link range extender. So what we're going to do, you're going to plug that into the nearest outlet that you have. So let me go plug that in. So I forgot to mention, before you plug it in, connect the Ethernet cable. So I'm just going to use this Ethernet cable, this spare Ethernet cable that I have plugged into my Xbox. So let me get that out of here. So what you're going to do, you're going to go through, let me focus, you're going to go plug it in. Oops. I'm gonna go plug it in through the bottom, just like that, and then go ahead and plug it in. Okay, so I got it plugged in. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug our Ethernet cable into our router. It should say, it's gonna say WAN. It's gonna be hard to see, but it's gonna be right next to the DC port. So you're just gonna plug that in, just like that, and boom. After that, you're gonna set that down, and then you're gonna put that there. And then what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to get your plug in, so you can plug your router in. And let me plug this router in real quick. Okay, so you're just gonna plug it into that DC port right next to it, and then a light should come on. And then after that, where's my small Ethernet? I think with the switch, what you're gonna do with the switch, I think you're gonna, if I'm wrong, I'm gonna see if this all works, but you're gonna plug it into number 1. And then I'm just gonna put this right on top of here. Then you're gonna route that back, and you're gonna plug that into number 1. You're gonna plug that into your route for number 1. I'll figure out how to get that to stay. But now we want to plug our switch in. So let me just unscrew that. one last port. Just for the switch. Then I'm gonna have to do some cable management after this. So I'm gonna plug that into the back of the switch, and then you're gonna turn your switch on. Let me get something to hold that, because I don't want any of the wires to accidentally get messed up or anything. So I'm just going to do it just like that. Boom. And then after that, you're probably going to want to get all your Ethernet ports set up. Let me make this go up. You're going to want to get all your Ethernet ports plugged in and everything. So this one right here is my switch. So I'm going to plug that one in to number 2. Then I'm going to route it to this way to the back. Just going to put it behind here. Just scoot that back. And then all the other Ethernet ports that I got up, I'm just going to set all those up, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I got all my Ethernet ports set up, so now is the configuration set up. I'm not going to show you how to configure it. You're going to have to read the instruction manuals because I don't want to mess up on anybody's network and stuff. Or there's lots of YouTube videos on how to configure. But that's all for today. Once you're done configuring, everything should be up and running. You should have lights on here, and then your light should be working on here and on your Wi-Fi range extender. And yeah, I do recommend cable management though. That'll keep it nice and tidy. So yeah, make sure everything is flipped on, and make sure to always put a password on your network. Don't just leave it blank, because someone could just come in and just hack into your network. And then if I do recommend this, you don't have to get it, but I recommend getting a network box. I'll show you on the screen right there. I recommend getting a network box. It's just for safety, so no one comes in here and unplugs everything and starts messing with stuff. And yeah, sorry. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Peace